The Color Correction Handbook, Professional Techniques for Video and Cinema, written by Alexis Van Hurkman, is a comprehensive guide that delves into the intricate world of color correction and grading for visual media. Whether you are an aspiring filmmaker, a seasoned video professional, or simply an enthusiast looking to enhance your understanding of color manipulation, this book offers a wealth of knowledge and techniques to help you achieve stunning visual results. About the author. Alexis Van Hurkman is a highly respected authority in the field of color correction and grading. With over 25 years of experience as a professional colorist, he has worked on a wide range of projects, including feature films, television shows, commercials, and music videos. His expertise and passion for color correction have earned him recognition in the industry, making him a sought-after instructor and consultant. As an author, Van Hurkman brings his extensive knowledge and practical insights to readers, allowing them to benefit from his years of experience. Chapter 1, Introduction to Color Correction. Understanding the importance of color correction in visual storytelling. Exploring the role of the colorist and their impact on the final product. Overview of the tools and software used in color correction. Chapter 2, Color Spaces and Gamma. Explanation of color spaces, gamma, and their significance in digital imaging. Understanding the differences between various color spaces, sRGB, Rec. 709, etc. Working with gamma curves to achieve desired results. Chapter 3, Primary Color Correction. Detailed exploration of primary color grading tools. Adjusting exposure, contrast, and color balance. Using lift, gamma, and gain controls effectively. Chapter 4, Secondary Color Correction. Techniques for isolating specific areas of an image for targeted adjustments. Working with masks, shapes, and keying tools. Creating complex color grades through secondary correction. Chapter 5, Color Management. Implementing color management workflows for consistent results across devices. Understanding color calibration and profiling. Dealing with color issues during acquisition and post-production. Chapter 6, Advanced Color Correction. Exploring advanced techniques such as color matching, scene matching, and shot matching. Working with log and raw footage for maximum flexibility. Strategies for achieving specific looks and moods. Chapter 7, Looks and Styles. Understanding the role of color grading in establishing visual styles. Analyzing popular film looks and exploring how to recreate them. Developing personal artistic approaches to color grading. Chapter 8, Delivering the Final Product. Preparing footage for various delivery formats, including cinema, broadcast, and web. Understanding compression and its impact on image quality. Working with finishing tools to ensure the best possible output. Chapter 9, Case Studies. Examining real-world examples of color correction and grading workflows. Analyzing the challenges faced and the solutions implemented. Gaining insights from industry professionals through their case studies. 7 lessons learned from this book. Understanding the power of color correction, the book emphasizes the vital role of color correction in visual storytelling. It teaches readers how to effectively use color to enhance mood, establish visual styles, and create impactful narratives. Mastering primary and secondary color correction, readers gain valuable insights into primary color correction techniques, such as adjusting exposure, contrast, and color balance. They also learn advanced methods for secondary color correction, allowing them to isolate specific areas of an image for targeted adjustments. Harnessing the potential of advanced techniques, the book explores advanced techniques like color matching, scene matching, and shot matching. By understanding these methods and working with log and raw footage, readers can achieve precise and creative color grades that bring their visions to life. Developing artistic approaches, The book encourages readers to develop their artistic sensibilities and experiment with creating unique looks and styles. By analyzing popular film looks and understanding how to recreate them, readers can cultivate their own artistic voice in color grading. Navigating color management challenges, readers learn about color management workflows, calibration, and profiling to ensure consistent results across different devices. The book also addresses common color issues that arise during acquisition and post-production, equipping readers with solutions to overcome these challenges. Delivering high-quality outputs, the book guides readers through the process of preparing footage for various delivery formats, including cinema, broadcast, and web. It explains the impact of compression on image quality and provides insights into using finishing tools to achieve optimal results. Real-world case studies, the book offers valuable case studies that illustrate real-world color correction and grading workflows. By analyzing these examples, readers gain practical knowledge and learn from the experiences of industry professionals. By immersing themselves in these lessons, readers can develop a strong foundation in color correction and grading techniques. They will learn how to manipulate color effectively, express their artistic vision, and deliver visually compelling projects. Throughout the book, Alexis Van Hurkman's expertise shines, providing readers with practical advice, technical knowledge, and artistic inspiration. Beyond the specific lessons, this book fosters a deeper appreciation for the artistry and craft of color correction. It highlights the collaborative nature of the field, encouraging readers to communicate effectively with directors, cinematographers, and other team members to achieve the desired visual outcome. Moreover, the book instills a mindset of continuous learning and experimentation, as color correction is an ever-evolving discipline. The Color Correction Handbook, Professional Techniques for Video and Cinema is an invaluable resource for anyone seeking to expand their knowledge of color correction. With its comprehensive coverage, practical examples, and insights from industry professionals, this book empowers readers to unlock the full potential of color manipulation in their creative endeavors. Whether you are a filmmaker, videographer, or simply passionate about visual storytelling, this book will inspire and equip you to take your projects to new heights of visual excellence. Ready to unlock the secrets of captivating visual storytelling? Dive into the Color Correction Handbook, Professional Techniques for Video and Cinema by Alexis Van Hurkman. Buy now and embark on a journey to master the art of color manipulation and elevate your creative projects to new heights. We hope you found this book summary of the Color Correction Handbook insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please take a moment to hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues who might find it valuable too. If you want to stay updated with more book summaries in this category and explore other exciting topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll receive regular updates and be part of a growing community of knowledge seekers. Thank you for your support, and happy reading.